Introducing Mr. Emmett, an industrialist. Last year he was looking for high-quality used boilers for sale. But he didn't have any idea about the right destination in Australia. He discussed this with his manager and heard about O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd. But, to get confirmation about their reliability, he browsed o'brien-energy.com.au and checked. He found that they offer a range of top-quality used boilers for sale. Each of their boilers undergoes rigorous testing and inspection to ensure it meets high standards for safety and performance. He also got to know that their affordable pricing and expert installation services make people confident that they are getting a reliable and efficient boiler at a fraction of the cost of a new one. Finally, he called 1300771759 and ordered their high-quality second-hand boiler. And being able to save money while still maintaining efficiency and reliability. Do you also need their used boilers for sale? Reach them soon.